Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple different things. First off, I'm going to show you the deals that I grabbed over at CVS this morning. So from the Revlon over to the Eucerin is what I purchased at CVS. I was able to get these items completely free and I made over $4 buying them. I will show you step by step exactly how I did that here in just a minute. But since this was a smaller shopping trip for me, I decided to also show you the items that I got at Target yesterday as part of the 90% off holiday sale. So I will also be showing you those items and telling you what I paid for them, as well as sharing a pretty funny story with you guys. But first, I wanted to say thank you to all of you who provided feedback on my last video. I had asked about if you were interested in seeing tutorials on the different cashback apps. It does sound like quite a few of you are interested in hearing more about that. So definitely look for that content coming up in 2021. I do take the time to read your comments, and I am using that feedback as I look toward creating content for 2021. Also, as a reminder, I do have deals that I post to both my Facebook page and my Instagram account. You can find me on Facebook at facebook.com/savingwithchristina or over on my Instagram at savewithchristina. As always, if you like the content of my videos, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. All right, so let's dive into the CVS deals first. The CVS ad started today, Sunday, January 3rd. The first deal that I did was on the Revlon Color Stay Powder. So I was one of the lucky ones that got the free cosmetic item on New Year's Eve. It basically said, Happy New Year, here is a coupon for you. And so I saved that, planning to use it this week. Now I grabbed this Revlon Color Stay Powder priced at $12.49. I used the free cosmetic item, which took off $5. That was the max value of the coupon. But I also had a couple other coupons that attached to this item. So first of all, the product, the Revlon products are spend 12, get $4 in extra care bucks back. So I was looking for a product just above that $12 mark. So this was $12.49. I had the $5 off for the free cosmetic item. I had a $4 off any Revlon face digital coupon, and I had a $4 off any Revlon cosmetic purchase that printed at the red machine when I scanned my card. So I paid nothing for this, but I got $4 in extra care bucks back. It actually was a $4.51 moneymaker for me this morning. So that was an awesome deal. Now, the Eucerin deal, they are spend 20, get 10. These are $10.49 each, but I had a couple of coupons that I could use with these. First off, I had a $4 off any $20 hand or body lotion CRT that I had clipped to my card. I also had a $2 off any Eucerin digital coupon, and then I had a $2 off Eucerin lotion printable coupon, and I got that from coupons.com. There are coupons that you can get from the Eucerin website, but I had already used those, so I wasn't able to print them again. They're actually $3 off coupons, or if you share them with someone, they'll give you $3.50 coupons. So that would make it an even better deal. But I had the $4 off 20, the $2 off Eucerin digital, and then the $2 off Eucerin printed coupon. So I paid $12.98 and I got $10 in extra care bucks back, making it just $2.98. However, when I combine the Eucerin with the Revlon Color Stay, I will hit my spend 30, get 3 in extra care bucks for the Beauty Club. So it basically makes them completely free, which is a pretty awesome deal. The last deal that I grabbed at CVS was on the Kotex products. They are 2 for $8 this week, and I had a $3 off any 2 Kotex digital coupon, as well as a $1 off any $6 feminine care purchase coupon. But I also had a $3 off any 3 panty liner, tampon, pad coupon. So I grabbed one of these to add to this group, so I got to the 3 different products. The panty liners were $1.39, so 2 for $8 plus the $1.39 minus my $3 off 3, minus the $3 off 2 Kotex, minus the $1 off 6 feminine care product. I paid $2.39 and I got $2 in extra care bucks back. So it made all 3 products just 39 cents, which is a fantastic deal. Now, those were the only deals that I did over at CVS today. I almost bought some of the shampoo and conditioner deals that were going on. I couldn't make it work for me, and I didn't want to spend any additional money because I don't need anything right now. I do have a coupon for a free hair color because I ended up hitting the buy 7 for the year and you get 1 free. I did end up hitting that, but I'm holding on to that coupon because I'm hoping next week there will be an even better deal that I can pair that with. So that is it for CVS. Let me know if you're finding anything better over at CVS. Maybe I'm missing something, but for me, this is all that I wanted to get. I'm trying hard not to spend any additional money on things that I don't need. That being said, look at all of this stuff I bought that I probably don't need, but it was 90% off at Target. And so I cannot not buy some great stuff at 90% off. So check your Targets. All of the holiday stuff should have hit 90% off. There's some hidden things in there that I will show you. But let's start out with these little hand sanitizers. I found these over in the beauty area on an end cap. So these were priced at just 15 cents each, which is a great deal. So I grabbed a few of those. If you can find these conditioners, the Liquid Pearl, the OGX Liquid Pearl, and I have no idea how you say that. So if y'all know how to say that, let me know. But it's some kind of recovery oil conditioner. These were also priced at 90% off. So it is 69 cents for these conditioners. Another great kind of hidden clearance was on this Native deodorant. There were a couple different scents that were marked 90% off. So instead of being $11.99 each, I paid $1.19. This is the sugar cookie, and I want to say there was one other, vanilla and chai was the other one that was also ringing 90% off. But $1.19, if this is a deodorant that you like, you know that that's an awesome price on this brand. Again, over in the beauty section, I saw a ton of sheet masks. I'm talking hundreds of different sheet masks and peel-off masks priced at 20 cents each. They were $2 regular priced, so 90% off makes them 20 cents each. Also in that same area were these L'Oreal lip colors. These are $14.99 originally, so they rang up $1.49, which is an awesome price. Something that was not marked, but I just happened to scan it to check, were a couple of games. So this backgammon game was priced at 99 cents. And then this curling as well as the bowling sets, these were originally $14.99, and so they rang up $1.49. Just be careful if you find items like this. There was one that was still ringing up full price that was with all of the others that were ringing up 90% off, so I don't know why, but just make sure you double check that what you're buying is the price you expect to pay. Now these, the Hearth and Hand Redwood oil diffusers, these were originally $12.99, and again at 90% off, that makes them $1.29. So a really sweet lady at my store had these in her cart, and I said, oh, hey, are those ringing up 90% off? She was like, they are, do you want them? And I'm like, oh, no, they're yours. I was just curious because I'll look for them if I go to another Target. She's like, no, I have been to 6 Targets. I have plenty of these. Do you want them? And I was like, well, I'll take one. So I took one and we're talking, and she's like, please take more. And I'm like, all right, I'll take one more. So I grabbed 2 of them from the super sweet lady who got to the store before me and found them before I did. So look for this. This is the Redwood. I don't know if the other scents are also included in the 90% off. This is the only one that I found that was ringing that price, and truly I didn't find it. She found it and told me about it. And then this item here, again, over in the cosmetic section with the hand sanitizer. These are priced at $10, which makes them $1 each, 90% off. So that was an awesome, awesome deal. There were bigger hand sanitizers that were priced at 39 cents each, and some hand soap, some pine scented hand soap that was ringing up 39 cents each. I didn't grab any actual holiday decorations or anything like that. Most of that stuff was very picked over. So I grabbed these items here, and then this little elf reference here, World's Best Cup of Coffee, with a little notepad and a pen. This was originally $14.99, so it was marked down to $1.49. I thought that would be super cute for a gift. Last thing, and this is my funny thing, I found a sweatshirt that looked super comfy, and I was distracted by the fact that it was 90% off, and I thought, well, it looks a little bit big, but you know, it's a comfy sweatshirt. I love comfy sweatshirts. So I grabbed it. It rang up $2.49. It was $24.99 originally. I took the tags off. I started wearing it. And then I realized it is a maternity shirt. Sure enough, I bought myself a maternity shirt, and no, I am not pregnant, but I love it. I'm okay with it. $2.49 for a super cute, what I thought was just an oversized sweatshirt. And now I'm just calling it my Thanksgiving sweatshirt because I can eat as much as I want and it'll still fit me. So yes, I bought maternity clothes for the first time in a very, very, very long time. Hope you guys are out finding some awesome deals if you are shopping. Of course, all the different stores are going to be hitting 75% off, 80% off, 90% off. I promise to be sharing the deals that I find on my Facebook and my Instagram page. And of course, I will be letting you know what I find on my YouTube channel as well. If you guys have any questions for me, don't hesitate to drop me a note below. Thank you.